A morning full of learning and exploring at the Mobile Civic Expo Hall. The Port City hosting a science, technology, engineering, and mathematics or STEM event for local students. Fox 10's Eli Lindsey was there and gives us a look.
Students of all ages immersing themselves in the world of STEM at the first ever Mobile STEM Fest.
Oh, yeah! Isn't that neat? Mom, you want to try?
With over 40 different hands-on STEM-related activities, there was plenty of opportunity for kids to learn, discover, and even build.
I drew out this shape on a piece of film, and a lady cut it with burning wire. I put tape to make it look cool.
6-year-old Eli Lindsey, proud of this wind-powered car he built, putting his work to the test. Many kids having a blast at the STEM Fest. Morgan Niles sharing all the new things she was able to learn in such a short amount of time.
I learned how to make pressure happen with the Alka-Seltzer and vinegar, and I made how to make vibration with put alcohol on my hands and rub it.
After seeing an experiment involving a gummy bear catching on fire and becoming a fireball, 12-year-old Mason Cosby says he's thinking about becoming a chemist and that he's a huge fan of STEM.
You get to do experiments, like you get to learn a lot. Science is everything. But STEM is just fun overall.
The city of Mobile teaming up with the nonprofit organization STEM NOLA to help students all over Mobile learn about STEM in an enjoyable, fun, and impactful way.
9 years ago, we started STEM NOLA in our garage because my two sons wanted to know more about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. In the last 9 years, we've engaged over 100,000 young people. Now we have the opportunity to come to a city like Mobile and engage Mobile in hands-on science, technology, and engineering and show our kids the possibilities of the 21st century.
Dr. Mackey says he hopes the event helps to develop kids' interest in STEM into a full-blown passion. Gianni Navarro, Fox 10 News.
A lot of learning out there. Organizers say that the STEM Fest will be back next month.